I'm not judging you, but I'm just saying, like, why do you need an assault rifle? Why do you need a weapon that the police don't own?
Right.
Why do you need that? And if you give me a good reason, I'm going to be like, great, good to know.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
Interesting to hear your side of
Wonderful.
that. Yeah.
But so far, I have not been given a good reason.
Well, you could get a lot more cans.
Yes, you definitely can.
If you have a
hey,
whole,
man, I'm totally.
I'm kidding. I'm not pro assault rifles. I'm just saying.